Hello, everybody in my Harvard C class. This is Daryl, your teacher, for Wednesday, October 14th, 2009. And what we went over in class is we went over asked, right? We went over asked. What what did they ask? Okay, not ask, but what did they ask? When you change things, this is for when you're talking about questions, when you want to tell people the question in the past, right? Right? So what we have to know is the past tense, right? We need to know certain past tense, right? And in class today, I didn't go over this properly, but basically, we say here, basically, we need to know who said it. We need to know who said it. And now what we're going to do, we're going to make this a little bit more difficult. In class today, we just went over the basic things. And basically what you have to know to do this, you need to know the past tense of you need to know the past tense of is, and the past tense of is was, past tense of are is were, right? And the past tense of have is had. You need to know this. And also we need to know the past tense of want. And the past tense of want is wanted. Okay? So those are the things you need to know before we do this, okay? And now the first thing is I'm going to read this here, and it says, Matt and Megan were still on the boat. Gretch appeared. He asked them what the matter was. We're worried, said Megan. Gretch asked them why they were worried. We can't sail a boat, said Megan. Matt asked Gretch what they could do. You can take an airplane, said Gretch. Megan asked Gretch where the airplane was. It's arriving now, Gretch answered. At that moment, the airplane landed on the water next to them. Get in, said Gretch. The pilot will take you to a safe place. You'll find the next clue, too. Matt asked Gretch what the next clue was. Wait and see, said Gretch. So, basically, we want to go over ask. We need to use ask in the sense. We have to tell people what happened in the past. And so, in class, I didn't really go over this as clearly as I should have, but we have this number one. So we have this. So we want to know about what's the matter. Who asked these questions, alright? So we have, okay, so basically, so we said, basically we want to know, Gretch asked, so we say, Gretch asked Matt and Megan what the matter was, right? Very, very simple, what the matter was, right? Okay, that's very simple. Okay, and then we have, who said, why are you worried? So we say, Gretch asked them, why they were worried. So it's already in here. Gretch asked them why they were worried. Them is, of course, Matt and Megan. And then we say them. Demonstrative, why they were worried, okay? And then we have, what can we do? So we say, oh, so who said that? So we said Matt asked Gretch what they could do, right? Who said it? And then we have, where's the airplane? So it's already here, so you understand. So this is showing you how to do this for the next page, all right? And then where's the airplane? So Megan asks Gretch where the airplane was. You understand? Because it's the story. That's how you do this, right? It's all here. That's how you do it. When you're writing a story, that's how you're going to do it. So I say, where's the airplane? Where's the airplane? And I'm talking to John. So he said, Daryl asked John where the airplane was, right? Okay, so that's how you do it. And then we have, what's the next clue? And then basically we have over here number 5. Matt asked Gretch what the next clue was. Okay, this is how we do this, all right? And if you want to do this another way. And now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to read this. Matt and Megan climbed into the airplane. Where's the next clue? It's here. It's a radio, right? And then we have here, let's go. Where are your tickets? You need 2. We don't have any. How much are the tickets? How much money do you have? None. We're broke. But we don't we can give you this diamond. Great. Where do you want to go? It's up to you, but let's get out of here. So we have here, so here's example using this. We look for the questions, the words with the question marks, right? And we're going to say here, so we have here Matt, right? And so what we have to know is we have to know the past tense of, we need to know the past tense of is and are, right? Is, was, right? And are, is, were, right? And then we need the past tense of have, and that's had, right? And then the past tense of want, and that's wanted, all right? Okay, so now let's look at this here. We have here, where are your tickets? So who asked where the tickets were, right? Who asked where the tickets? Who asked this question? So the driver asked where their tickets were, right? Where their tickets were. Okay? Okay, where their tickets were. There is a possessive pronoun. Where their tickets were, alright? They is there, right, for possessive pronoun. And then we have here, how much money do you have? So the driver asked, so what do we say? The driver asked how much money they had, right? And then we have, where do you want to go? So then the driver asked where they wanted to go. And then we have here, it's up to you, but let's get out of here. Okay? So that was the story. Alright. So what I want you to do is I want you to listen to this and repeat a few times. And I will see you in class on Friday. Until then, so long. Goodbye.